Hi Jasmine, how are you?
Hello, I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Yeah, I'm quite well, thank you. So could you introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. I'm Jasmine and I'm from Odisha. How about you,
Okay.
Koshal?
Yeah, as you know, my name is Koshal. I am from Jammu Kashmir. So nowadays actually I am free, I'm learning English. I did before work. So yeah, that's all about myself and I am making videos, it's my hobby.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so what about
I
you?
see. Yeah. About me, about my hobbies,
Yeah,
I like reading books.
wow, reading is good.
Yeah, I'm trying to improve my English, spoken English.
That's good. So how long have you been learning English?
How long? I think it's been for 2 years. I guess. I'm not sure.
Okay, 2 years. Yeah, that's great.
Yeah. And sometimes I find hard.
I
Sometimes,
yeah, yeah,
yeah,
actually,
like
yeah, yeah, go ahead, sorry.
it's fine. You say?
No, no, I was confusing. Sometime I also got stuck and I am also confusing. Okay, why we are learning English? What is the reason?
Yeah. Um, like for me, I have to learn. I want my kids, so they should learn English. Like if I don't have that knowledge, how can I teach them?
Oh, that's great.
So I'm getting ready for everything for the future.
So you are learning English for your kids, not for you.
Actually, yeah, like it's for me as well as for my kids.
Yeah, I'm just kidding. Yeah, that's fine. Actually, it's good. Don't mind.
It's okay, but it's true. Like if I don't learn English, how can I teach them? I don't want them just like me, like stuck everywhere.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I got it. So are you married, by the way?
But no, I'm not married yet.
Okay, okay. So you're planning future, your
Yeah.
future. That's why you're learning. But yeah, jokes apart, to the point. So how did you learn English? And how are
How
you?
did I learn?
Yeah.
Uh, um, First of all, that I I wanted to learn, and I started watching dramas, movies in English. Mm,
Okay.
that's how I learned. Yeah,
So what do you think? Watching videos and dramas, we can improve our English. What's your opinion?
like I was beginner, so I didn't know how to make a sentences. So I was watching in with with subtitle. If I don't understand how the sentence structure has meant, then I go for grammar
Okay. So it means like it can help you, like watching.
to understand.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. That's great.
And at that time, I didn't have enough time, so I have to at that time I had to learn as soon as possible. I didn't have that much enough time, so I came up with the idea. With an idea.
I understand. Yeah, it doesn't matter, but like which way we are learning, but at least we are learning, so it's matter.
And I still make mistakes. Like I think.
Oh,
Yeah.
that is perfect. I'm also making lots of mistakes. So that's totally fine because it's not our mother tongue.
Mm.
So why we are
Yeah, it's
worry about that?
yeah, you're right.
Yeah, but we are learning English, so over the time our English will be improved.
But we shouldn't give up until the end. We will do our best.
Of course.
In English, like whatever we want, we shouldn't give up until we reach our goal.
Yeah, that's true. We developed and we didn't achieve anything.
Mm. So, what's your sleeping time?
My sleeping time around 12 o'clock.
When will you get up in the morning?
I get up around 7 to 8 between.
What? It's late.
Yeah. It's my like wake up time. I get up 7 to 8 between.
I see.
Yes. And how about your?
I get up like around 5 to 5:30
Oh,
in between.
you are early bird, eh?
Yeah. Like I have to do some household work. I have to help my mom in kitchen, so I have to wake up early.
Yeah, it's good actually. Woke up early morning and doing exercise and all work. It's good, but I am kind of a lazy person. But I will try to wake up early morning.
Hmm.
Do you like traveling?
Traveling. Yeah, I do like. I want to go on a trip with my friends, but nowadays my friends they're busy in their life.
Then you should go
Yeah,
your family.
in my village I have my cousins. They're not my friend, but yeah, like in village we have our cousins as friends.
Okay, got it.
About my college friend, they are busy in their life. I don't want to disturb them.
Yeah, actually, in childhood, we are free. We don't have anything. We just enjoy our life.
Mm,
But over the time, everyone like busy in
get
their life.
busy.
Yeah, this is life actually.
Yeah,
What's your favorite person?
I like quiet place, not crowdy. I like quiet so that I can feel myself. I can observe myself far away from crowd.
Got it. Yeah, it's quite place. It's good for us sometime.
I wanna know about Jammu Kashmir, like the nature. Like in Kashmir, you have snowfall, but in Odisha, we don't have snowfall. It's bad. Like sometimes I feel so sad. I want to enjoy snowfall as well. But what else can we do? We have nothing to do.
Okay, so why are you so sad? You can come here, our Jammu Kashmir. Here is snowfall. You can enjoy.
Yeah, but like I don't have that much supportive friend, and also I don't want my family to be there with me. Like with my family, I cannot enjoy fully.
Okay, so
Like
whenever
some kind of
whenever you
restriction.
come, then you can contact me. Okay, I will help you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's okay,
Okay,
no
sure.
problem.
Okay, if I go to Kashmir, would you help me?
Yeah, of
Uh,
course. Why not?
I don't know about Kashmir. Can you suggest me some places
All right.
in
So
Kashmir?
you know where Jammu Kashmir? It's like a famous temple, like Katra Mata Vaishno Devi.
Yeah, I have heard it.
Yeah. So first you should visit here, and
Uh-huh.
then other place like Mansar Lake, Sanasar Lake, Patnitap, then Kashmir,
Mhm.
Gulmarg, Sonamarg. Like whole Jammu Kashmir, it's everywhere. It's a unique everything. But The thing is, officially famous some place. People know
Mm.
only some place it's famous, and there I wanna go. But it's not true. Actually, whole Jammu Kashmir is beautiful, and every place is everything is unique.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I see.
So okay, Jasmine, it was nice conversation with you. Thank you for being here with me. So see you. So have a good night. Take care. Bye.
Bye. Have a good night.
Guys, I hope you enjoy this conversation. If I make mistakes, I would appreciate it if you could correct me. Don't forget like, share and subscribe. Please give me feedback. Your feedback means a lot to me. Thanks again. Bye.